Paano malalaman kung saang presinto ka boboto? I-type mo lang guys ang precinct finder. Then search. Ayan guys, sa website, pindutin mo lang yung Comelec. Then continue. Then type your first name, middle name, and your surname. Also your birthday guys. Then choose the city, municipality where you belong. Then you need to complete the CAPTCHA. Maybe you're a robot guys. After a CAPTCHA completed, then click search, then proceed. Then you can see the result where the precinct you belong. That's all guys. Thank you so much for watching, like and following my page. Bye bye.